Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can log out of Magic Light AI. In order to do so, here we are at magiclight.ai and we're all logged in. What we're going to do is up at the top right hand corner, you can find your profile icon here, hover over it with your mouse, and then you will clearly see the logout option. We're just going to click on that. And there you have it. We have successfully logged out of Magic Light AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. Also, we have our top AI recommendations and promotions, including Sintra. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your subscription. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business in order to provide tailored responses. It's a fantastic tool, highly recommended. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, click on the link in the link tree. You can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Simply Financial, check to see if it's available in your area.